What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're gonna be making little smokies. Ha! Stay tuned. All right, you guys, let's get started on these little smokies. So the Super Bowl is coming up. I'm trying to figure out what you're gonna bring to the party. I got something for you. These little smokies. This is 2 bags of beef, 1.5 pounds. So this is 3 pounds of beef. Little smokies. They also had a pork and chicken ones. You can use those. This is easy to make. 4 recipes. I'm gonna start off with some grape jelly. This is 18 ounces. Then you want to use your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm going to try this Fire and Smoke Society. I use a lot of their seasoning, so I'm going to go ahead and try this barbecue sauce. Feel free to use Sweet Baby Ray's, whichever you like. And you're going to need a little bit of chili sauce. So, first thing I'm going to do is pour some of this barbecue sauce at the bottom. Oh man, that smells good. So we're gonna start off with that. Take your whole container, grape jelly, pour that in there. Take chili sauce. We're not gonna use much. We use about 1/3 of the bottle. You can also use chili sauce and grape jelly and don't use barbecue sauce if you like. But I like this right here. That's about 1/3. This is super easy. Take your little smokies. Drop them in there. You want to mix this up. Go ahead and put the rest of that barbecue sauce in there. All right, go ahead, just mix this all up. Super easy. We're gonna put this top on. If you got the little baggies you put in here, I always run out and forget to order some. Put that in there. It's best when you clean it up. We're gonna hit program, 4 hours. We're gonna put this on low. That's it. At the 2-hour mark, we're gonna mix it up again, put the top back on, and that's it. If you're in a hurry, you can do 2 hours on high. You just gonna have to watch it, make sure they don't burn up. So I catch y'all in 2 hours. All right, y'all, it's been 2 hours. We're gonna go ahead and mix it up. This is what it looks like after 2 hours. All right, we're just gonna put the top back on. Wait another 2 hours. So I catch you when it's finished. All right. All right, you guys, it's been 4 hours. So this is what it looks like after it's done and ready. I went ahead and put some in the bowl. Check that out right there. Check that out. Oh yeah, Super Bowl party about to be lit. It's on now. Shoot, problem is they're gonna fall asleep for the game start because they're gonna be full on these bad boys. Look at that. But yeah, man, that's all it is to it to make these little smokies. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. Once again, my name is Trey. This is the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. Hey, it's time to eat.